All right, so this video falls under the category of the downside to being my friend, or maybe it's the upside. If you're his wife, it was definitely the upside. Anyway, so last weekend I was out to dinner with this other couple my wife and I have known for a while. Well, the dude, I noticed right away that he had crazy nose hairs because I noticed nose hair, right? It's just one of those things you honestly can't help but notice. And I'm looking at it all night, I'm looking at it, right? Well, I had my chance. My wife and his wife, go to the bathroom and I pull him to the side, I go, hey, yo, your nose hair are crazy. I'm going to send you something. What's your address? And he's like, my nose, really? I guess it's been a while since I trimmed them. I'm like ever? You literally look like you've never trimmed them in your life. Anyway, I sent him the Pedro nose hair trimmer, which I just want to tell you about real quick. Guys, every single one of you needs a high quality nose hair trimmer in his grooming arsenal, all right? Me, I'm a connoisseur. With nostrils the size of mine, they're like sewer caps. I know good nose hair trimmers, which is why I needed to make sure that not only it didn't tug, it didn't pull, it worked incredibly well. It's also, check it out, USB chargeable because I was tired of messing around with batteries, but it gets even better. We also give you some additional attachments because honestly, a nose hair trimmer, like I said, is an incredible tool. Not only can you use it on your nose, your ears, your eyebrows, some of the attachments you can actually detail your mustache or your lip or any grooming that you need on your face. Gentlemen, bottom line, don't be my friend if you got nose hair or else I'm going to send you one of these. And real quick, if you're not my friend, you need to grab one of these because let's not take the chance because everybody notices your nasty ass nose hair. Gentlemen, this tool is the best on the market, period. The price is insane. The link is somewhere around here.